Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your Xiaomi 17 Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust media and the call volume. To adjust the media volume, what you guys want to do is change it in the settings. So we'll get back to that later. First, we're going to start off with the call volume. You can change it while calling up somebody or by going into phone app and pressing volume up. Now this is our call volume. Let's make it 100%. Now to change the media volume, we're gonna go to the settings, and here in those settings we're gonna scroll a bit down to sound and vibration. Make sure that media is maxed out in the adjust volume section. And now what you guys want to do is make sure that you scroll down to sound options, go to do not disturb, and make sure that do not disturb has every single switch off. So if yours is on, make sure to turn it all off. This is very important. It can also lower the volume and or mute the volume, so disable it. And next, what you guys want to do is clean the speaker grills, or if you're using wired headphones, then clean the charging port. So you're gonna be using the soft brush right here. This is very important because we want to make sure that it's clean. And now after you clean it, as you guys can see, there's nothing on the grills and in the charging port. The phone itself is very clean. Now what you guys want to do is go over and restart it, because it's very important to refresh the entire system. Maybe it's just a system glitch, and we're gonna press the power button and the volume up button. So press it at the same time. Now swipe down to reboot, and now the phone is rebooting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the reboot is done. After the restart, what you guys want to do is simply update your software to fix any glitches. So go over into the settings. Now tap about phone and click HyperOS. Here it's checking automatically. I have no updates available, but if you do, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software, because you don't want to be running old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.